Hello, I'm Helen from Helen and John's Adventures, and today we have been sent a parcel from GapaSea, and very exciting. These are walkie-talkie glasses. Hopefully we're going to be able to use them on our bikes so that we can talk to each other while we're riding along. So we're going to unbox them, have a look at them, but I do have to say to you, this product is not yet available to buy in the shops. At the moment they are a Kickstarter project, and at the end of this we will put all the details below, and if you're interested you can back them on Kickstarter. I'm unboxing. Oh, 1, 2, don't need that. Oh, I love a tear off strip.
Really well packaged. I like that already. Huh?
I hope you're catching this because we can't do take 2.
No, it is a one-time deal, and I love the mounting pictures.
And I love a tear off strip. Okay, so they've come in 2 very nice boxes. Oh, you're gonna love them. They're orange.
Ooh.
What do you reckon?
I think you might have to take them skiing at this rate as well.
In the box we have, oh, very nice. Okay, so that is a little triangular part. I think that's a charger, and that is a cable, and we have a case. So we'll open those in a moment. Let's see if the other one is the same. Really nice boxes. I love boxes. Oh, these are different.
This one's got a case. The one with the case is like a little charging box.
Oh, okay. Ah, yes, I can see.
That's very cool.
That's very clever. Oh, because I can see that the charger is built into the case.
Super.
That's really good. Yeah, I like that. 2 different options, because this one, the little charger, so this will fit into here. Maybe that way round, maybe that way round. I should read some instructions. Oh, that way round, definitely. Okay.
I'm glad you've worked that out, because we're off on a ride tomorrow, so we need to charge them up.
Excellent. Nice case. I like the case. These are mine. You can have the other pair. But yeah, so that's how they come. Really nice packaging, really nice boxes. I know you're not really interested in the boxes. We're interested in the glasses. So we will go and read the instructions, find out how they work, get them charged up and give them a go.
Hi guys, so as you can see, now we've unboxed them, we've got these glasses on. We're about to give them a test ride. We're going to do a 30-ish kilometre ride around Benidorm of all places. So stick with us, we'll take you on the ride with us, and I'll see if I can hear her.
So we're going to go for a cycle, see how they're going. I can hear John speaking.
It's pretty amazing actually. It's a bit weird at the same time. So we'll probably stop halfway round, catch up with you, and tell you what our thoughts are so far. Well, we have made it halfway up the hill.
Which is plenty far enough.
It is, and we'll be honest, these are some pretty monster hills, and they're very, very steep.
And more to the point, they're very, very scary.
They are, especially if you're new to all of this. So I'm not sure if you can see, but that's Benidorm in the background behind us. We've still got the glasses on, and everything I'm saying is echoing quite happily.
And John heard me swearing all the way up the hill.
So I'm talking to the camera, Helen's glasses are picking it up and they're dropping it into my ears, and I'm sure it's the same for her.
It is indeed.
So what are our thoughts on them so far? So we've done about 10k with them, and they've got potential. I think
they're comfy.
They're super comfy. The lenses are spectacular. They're beautiful glass, really clear.
Yeah.
They're Zeiss lenses, so let's be honest, when you're talking about lenses, you don't get much better than that. They are a little bit intermittent at times.
In the town they were intermittent.
So we found that the voice is clipped when we were in town. We're up here, clear as day.
Yeah.
Absolutely fabulous.
So it's probably the interference of other things in the town.
So I need to state we're using them in their pure walkie-talkie mode at the moment. They're not connected to the app on the phones at all. I have got mine connected to Komoot on my phone, and the directions for where we're going are coming through the glasses clear as day. Absolutely brilliant. 10 out of 10 for clarity there. That's really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the app on for the glasses on the way back down, because we're not going any further up this crazy hill.
No, scary.
So we're going to turn the app on, we're going to put the team boost onto it, and see what that does when we get into a more built up area, see if that makes a difference. So we'll catch up with you when we've got down the hill, probably over a coffee somewhere, and we'll tell you how it went. Now we're just going to take a big brave pill to get down the hill. So Helen's given you the unboxing. Now let's just do a few texts behind it. So this is the pair that comes in the box. Really cool. It will charge to 80% within 10 minutes. So if you've got the box with you and your battery goes flat, 10 minutes, you're off and running again. USB-C connection there, standard. Let's get that out of the way and get to the interesting stuff. Turn them on. Literally, just open them up. That's all you need to do. To set the channel is turn this little knob or dial on this side. Each time you get a new channel, you get a new colour. Really is simple as that. They are 46 grams, as light as anything. They're orange, seriously. What's better than orange? They have lovely squishy arms, silicone, no idea what the proper word for them is, but they're flipping comfortable. Really good. And if you've got no hair like me, they wrap around your head beautifully. And these bad boys are not coming off. They are IP56 rated, so they're good and waterproof. That also means they're dust proof. You can fit prescription lenses in if you get your optician to make them up. So if you're short or long-sighted, you can slot in your prescription lenses too. They're all about safety. Coles Ice lenses, UV resistant, exactly what you need to protect your eyes. They are safe because you're talking to people. You're not constantly looking over your shoulder and pointing your front wheel down a drainage ditch or something and crashing. You can hear the people behind you. I would like to see them in small, medium and large sizes. You know, if you're riding with your kids, something like this is just going to be amazing. You constantly keep in touch with them, chatting away. Really simple. Clearly, the key thing for us is safety. So there we go. These will be available on Kickstarter. They are currently a prototype. Really, to be fair, they're a great working prototype, but I have no doubt they're going to be improved. There's still a lot of development going on. We'll put the link to the Kickstarter down below. Go and take a look at it. All of the tech specs are there. Some really funky graphics as well. Tells you all about everything that I've been trying to tell you here in my kitchen. Take a look.
I'm heading 30 kilometers. Copy. I'm right behind you. I'm at 3,800 meters. Okay, I'm feeling good.
We thought we would take a moment to give you our thoughts on these GapaSea glasses. So, Helen, I'm going to let you kick off. What do we think of them?
Well, they're comfy. I've got a really narrow face, and as you can see, they're not really sitting on as glasses, but when I've got my bike helmet on, they tuck into the back of it, and actually they've been fine. It's been okay. We haven't tried the little adjustments with it that they've given us with it yet, but we will do. The lenses are really clear, and even though it's very overcast today, I can see fine through it. I'm not taking them off because I'm having a bad hair day because it's been in my hat. They have been really useful today. We've been off-roading and John goes in front and tells me which side of the path to go, where the rut's coming, what's going on. So from a safety point of view, if you're with somebody like me that's not very good on a bike, perfect. If you're both fine on a bike and then you can just chat, that's really good. What we found is that when we're going reasonably slowly, so in the woods and things like that, they work perfectly. The range is probably about 50 metres. When we got to the road and we sped up, then they broke up a bit. They weren't quite as good. So I think the faster you go, obviously the connectivity isn't quite so clear.
I think also as well, we have been trying them on different channels.
Yeah, different
And
frequencies.
certainly some of the channels work better than others. And it's a little bit hit and miss. You have to work it out because some channels work better in built up areas and some work better in lots of built up areas. So it's a bit of trial and error, really. We popped them in the Bluetooth team mode, the boost.
And we did that on our last ride, didn't we?
Be completely honest, didn't really find any difference at all.
No.
Helen thinks it was potentially worse. Remember, guys, these are pre-production prototypes that we've got here, so
they will get better.
Are going to get better and they're going to change. So be aware that all these little problems that we see will be ironed out in the production versions. One of the things I really like as well is we've tried it with Komoot and Supercycle. And the directions through the Bluetooth are absolutely brilliant, crystal clear, really good. That works
made it a lot
exceptionally
easier
well,
for you,
doesn't
didn't it?
Yeah, especially if you're scooting down the tracks pretty quickly, really helps to know where you're going.
Overall, I think they've made a massive difference. Okay, they're not perfect. Okay, we can't hear each other all the time. But overall, compared to not having them, they've been great.
Oh, they are
really great.
I think they're a real safety benefit as well. You know, you can have a chat and just talk about stuff while you're riding, but from a safety perspective, excellent. And I think as they are as a prototype and an early release, I think it's a solid 7 out of 10.
If you ask me, would I think they would be a good investment on Kickstart so that you get in there early with them? Then yeah, I do think they are actually, because some of the things the problems that we found are more niggles than major problems, and the benefit that we found has definitely outweighed the downside. And as the software gets updated, then I think they'll be great.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I'd recommend them.
As we said, these are a pre-production pair, so the ones that go out once they're shipping will be adjusted. Obviously, they're constantly making software updates. We've fed some into them as well. We'll put the link down there in the description. Well worth taking a look at, and we have had a good time with them. We're going to keep using them. We're heading back to our hotel now, and trust me, these are going straight back on, so I can hear the way and I know where to go.